Hi, I'm Adam. I'm part of the Dial 9 support team, and today we will be unboxing a Grandstream GXP1610 IP phone. This is a single SIP account phone with all the basic features you need to get started with a VoIP service. So the first thing we'll do is we'll take the box and remove all of the items from within it. And the first thing we are presented with is the main body of the phone. It contains a keypad and all of the buttons on the front, and then various ports on the back as well. So we will remove the phone from this box, and on the back we'll see a number of ports. There will be some network ports, a power supply and a handset and headset port, and then we will remove the rest of the peripherals, which are all contained underneath. And these are all fairly simple. We have the handset, we have the power supply, our curly cable, a nice simple stand, and then finally a network cable. Now we won't use that network cable on this occasion. We have one already prepared, ready to go. But normally all you'll need to do is connect that up onto your router or switch, and then that can be used to connect up to the device. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the power supply and get that powered on, so the phone will be booting up whilst we start connecting everything else. This phone does take a short period of time to boot. However, we do run a process which is called provisioning for all our customers. So that means that when you connect the phone up and connect it onto your power supply on your network, it will boot up and connect to your Dial 9 extension, and it will be ready to use immediately. So we've now plugged the power in, and we will connect it up to the small curly cable up to the handset port, which is on the far left at the back of the phone. And then of course the other end will go onto the handset itself, and then that can be placed on the device. And then quite simply, we just need to connect up the stand. And then whilst we're doing that, the phone will start to boot up, and then we'll be able to connect it up to our network, and it will be ready to use. And taking the cable that we have already prepared, we simply need to connect that into the LAN port, which is the second port in on the left-hand side when we're looking at the back of the device. And then whilst that's all been running, the phone will boot up. And once it has booted up, on the front of the screen, you will see the name of your Dial 9 service on the top left-hand corner, and that will indicate that the phone is connected and it's ready to make and receive calls. So simply all you'll need to do, once it's ready and connected, pick up the handset, you can start dialing a number, and it will work straight away. So that was the process of setting up a Grandstream GXP1610 to the Dial 9 service. This is a phone that you can find on our store, and you can also view other videos that we've created and subscribe to our channel for other updates.